Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Rancilio Rocky grinder. The problem with this grinder was that the momentary switch needed to be replaced. This one over here, as well as a new set of burrs. And you can actually feel these ones are not very sharp. We definitely installed the other ones in there, and they definitely feel sharp for sure. Also, we can replace this since it was broken. Brand new one. This one doesn't have the detachable part over here. It's just one piece, so it's not gonna break anymore on this. Well, the whole thing breaks. But now let's try it, and let's give it a spin. As you can see, I'm still adjusting the grind, especially with this kind of coffee. Just gonna be the pen, so it's gonna be. Okay, let's just a tiny bit more. There you go. And you can see it's coming out very fine, looking great. It's got a little bit more coarser. Well, a lot more coarser. And you're gonna see how it definitely improves. So. Grinder working perfectly fine, new boards installed and working really good. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.